5 reasons why hybrid RV campers are the best of both worlds. When it comes to camping, there are endless possibilities and choices to make. One option that combines the best of both worlds, the comforts of an RV and the adventurous spirit of tent camping, is hybrid RV camping. These innovative vehicles offer a unique camping experience that blends convenience, flexibility, and a close connection to nature. In this article, we will explore 5 reasons why hybrid RV camping is the best of both worlds. 1. Versatile accommodation. Hybrid RVs provide versatile accommodation options that cater to different camping preferences. With expandable sleeping areas, these vehicles offer the convenience of RV-style living during the day, with fully equipped kitchens, bathrooms, and comfortable seating areas. However, when it's time to sleep, the expandable sections can be unfolded, providing spacious sleeping quarters with the feel of tent camping. This versatility allows you to enjoy the amenities and comforts of an RV while still experiencing the excitement and charm of sleeping under canvas. 2. Seamless indoor-outdoor transition. One of the major advantages of hybrid RVs is the seamless transition between the indoors and outdoors. With their unique design, these vehicles offer the opportunity to bring the outside in. The expandable sections are typically made of canvas or mesh, allowing for plenty of fresh air and natural light to fill the living space. This connection with nature enhances the camping experience, giving you the feeling of being immersed in the great outdoors while still enjoying the comforts and protection of an RV. Whether it's enjoying a meal with panoramic views or listening to the sounds of nature from the comfort of your RV, the seamless indoor-outdoor transition is truly the best of both worlds. 3. Compact and easy to maneuver. Hybrid RVs are designed with compactness and maneuverability in mind. Their smaller size and lightweight construction make them easier to tow and maneuver compared to larger, bulkier RVs. This compactness not only contributes to improved fuel efficiency, but also allows for more accessibility to different campsites, including remote locations and tight spaces. Whether you're exploring national parks, state parks, or off-grid destinations, a hybrid RV provides the flexibility to navigate diverse terrains, ensuring you can enjoy the best camping spots without limitations. 4. Cost-effective camping. Hybrid RVs offer a cost-effective camping solution for adventurers who want to experience the best of both worlds without breaking the bank. Compared to larger motorhomes, hybrid RVs are typically more affordable in terms of initial purchase costs and ongoing maintenance. Additionally, their compact size contributes to reduced fuel consumption, which can result in significant savings during your camping trips. Choosing a hybrid RV allows you to enjoy the benefits of RV camping while keeping your budget intact. 5. Family-friendly camping. Hybrid RVs are ideal for family camping adventures. With their expandable sleeping areas, they provide ample space for the whole family to sleep comfortably. Children especially love the excitement of sleeping in the pop-out sections, which adds an element of fun to the camping experience. Additionally, the flexibility of hybrid RVs allows families to explore a wide range of destinations and activities. From camping in national parks to embarking on off-road adventures, hybrid RVs provide a family-friendly environment that fosters bonding, exploration, and unforgettable memories. The hybrid RV camping offers the best of both worlds, combining the comforts of an RV with the adventurous spirit of tent camping. With versatile accommodation, seamless indoor-outdoor transitions, compactness and maneuverability, cost-effective camping, and family-friendly features, hybrid RVs provide a unique and enjoyable camping experience. Whether you're a seasoned camper or a first-time adventurer, choosing hybrid RV camping allows you to enjoy the convenience, flexibility, and closeness to nature that make camping truly special. So, embrace the best of both worlds and embark on your next camping adventure with a hybrid RV. Camping is our happy place.